Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2017 Subaru WRX that we're going to be installing. I'm not sure what brand. Let's see. Yep, Matte Performance. Downpipe and kind of mid-pipe. So we'll start tearing this thing down and get all the new goodies installed. So first, what you're gonna want to do is remove there's pop pins holding this underbelly on. Some of them are missing already on this car, which leads me to believe the customer went to go put this on himself and either failed or realized he didn't have the right tools. And now we're gonna get to do it. But yeah, first thing is get this underbelly off so we can get some room. So next step, after you get the plastic cover off the underbelly tray, there's going to be 4 13mm bolts holding this metal skid tray on. So we'll pop that off, and that'll give us better access here to the turbocharger and downpipe / J-pipe on these newer WRXs. So then after you get this cover off, you're going to want to undo this clip, unplug this oxygen sensor, and then come over to this side. You've also got another oxygen sensor right here. So go ahead and unplug that one. So we've got that O2 unplugged. There's also a ground lead right here for a ground strap. We're going to remove that and relocate it. Once we get that, we're going to go ahead and separate and get this back half of the system off, and then we'll get the front half off. So to get that off, we're going to need a couple of wrenches here. Looks to be 13s or 14s, and then we've got a 14 or 15mm bolt here. We'll get that off, and then get these 2 14mm nuts off the back side of here, and that'll remove the back part of the mid pipe off the car. So go ahead and do that now. So after you get the mid section of the pipe out of there, then you've got 4 10mm bolts holding this heat shield on underneath. You pop that off. That gives you access to these 2 lower 14mm. You still have 2 more upper 14mm. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bracket removed so we can get access to these other 2 14s. And then we went ahead and took out the oxygen sensors as well. Well, took out the front one. We'll get the other one out. So after you get the 4 nuts off, 1, 2, 3, they're 14mm, by the way. You see that one up in there? Get a light on it. Yeah, right up there above that heat shield. That's number 4. That one you need some extensions. You can come in from the side here and get that one. Then we got one more 14 up there holding this bracket, support bracket. We'll get that support bracket off and get this J elbow downpipe situation out of the way. So quick little update. We kind of made some more progress without updating, but put the new studs in and put the old turbo bracket back on. Got all this bracketry up in here back on, and the heat shield that holds the O2 sensor wiring. Got the O2 sensor in. So all that stuff's done. Also, we like to relocate this ground to the head versus putting it back onto the exhaust. It's just a better location for the ground in general that we believe, so we place it there instead of on the exhaust. And get the other O2 in here, and then attach the back of the system, and that should about wrap it up for the downpipe install. So now we're going ahead and wrapping this baby up. Starting to get all the skid plate back on. You know, the O2 sensors are connected. The rest of the system is now connected. 14 back in here. New gasket. And attach the cat back to it. So, get the V-band all snugged up. Got it moved up out of the way. You never want to leave them hanging down. They'll catch shit on the road or whatever. So got that turned up. So, got the system all done. So, let me put the underbelly on it. And we'll fire this thing up, see what it sounds like, this catless J-pipe. One other thing I wanted to point out real quick and show you guys how to do. I forgot we were doing this on this car as well, but since we're doing the exhaust, we also are doing a secondary restrictor pill delete. I've already done it. I just wanted to go over it with you guys real quick. All you need to do is remove the line from here, pull it off. Remove the line right here from the turbocharger, and then remove the line here coming off the wastegate, and then right inside this T on this line right here going to the wastegate, there's a restrictor pill inside of this line. So you pull those 3 connections off and then pull this T out of here, and then you can take a piece of wire or whatever you want to use and pop that restrictor pill out of there, and then put all this back together. It's very simple mod, and if you have a lift you can do it in like under 3 minutes. But just wanted to show you guys that real quick. But it's all done, wrapped up, and put this lower panel back on, splash guard, and fire this bad boy up, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this 17 WRX or 16, can't remember. We did the Matt Performance J-pipe and mid-pipe catless, and we did the secondary restrictor pill delete, and a fresh set of plugs. I forgot to tell you guys that as well. So it's all back up and running, sounding good. I'll put the camera behind the car here, get this in a few revs so you guys can hear what this thing sounds like. So as you can hear, this thing sounds pretty good. This thing's got a NVIDIA catback on it. So got her all wrapped up, and we'll get this thing back to the customer. Another one in the books.